Hello, I'm Sarah Chatello from Sassy Paper Crafts, and today's video is a very simple card using the Plentiful Plant stamp set from Stampin' Up. I just want to show you this real quick without the glare of my light. There are several little pots and plants, and I love the sentiments in this set. But today we're just going to be using the stamp set. It does come in a bundle with some beautiful dies. I have them here. And I will show you a video on that later this week. But for now, I just want to keep it simple. And if you're not quite ready for die cutting yet or embossing or things like that, I just want to show you how to make a quick, simple card. I did drop my stamp on this example here. But this is a super cute thank you card, and you can use any of the sentiments that are in this set. So let's get started with making it. So I'm using the Assorted Memories and More cards and envelopes. They're here on page 127. You get 20 card bases and envelopes, 10 small and 10 large. I am using the large size here today, the 6x4. So what I first like to do is just fold it in half, and then I take a bone folder and just burnish that edge so we have a nice crisp edge. And I already have the stamps I'm using mounted on a block, but I will show you. I'm using that pot there, this one, those leaves, and those looks like aloe to me, or something like that. And then the thank you. And bring those in. If you only have one block, that is okay. All of the images and the sentiment do fit on a regular size D block or E block. So I'm going to open up my note card. And then the way I did this is you can use a scrap piece of paper, you can use a ruler, you can use anything that has a straight edge. I'm going to go ahead and use a scrap piece of paper. Actually, you know what? I'll use a ruler so you can see. It might be hard to see. So what I did was I just put the ruler maybe 1/8 of an inch from the bottom, making sure it's straight. And we're going to be using 3 colors today. I have Soft Succulent, Cinnamon Cider, and Cajun Craze. We're going to start with the Cajun Craze because that is the pot that is in the middle. So I'm just going to lightly tap my stamp. You don't want to push too hard into the ink. And this one's going in the middle. So I'm not touching the ruler. I'm just doing this so I can line it up. And now Stamparatus is a tool we have that actually helps you line up your stamps. It would be perfect for this, but I did want to show you a way to do it without it. So we're done with the Cajun Craze. Now I'm going to get the Cinnamon Cider in the smaller little pot and lightly tap. And one more time. And then we're done with Cinnamon Cider. And you can use whatever colors you have. These are just the 3 I've chosen. And get the ruler out of the way. And you can see how they're pretty much lined up. I just didn't want like the pots down here and one up there, you know. So we're going to take this little aloe looking leafy bit. And the great thing about this stamp set is it is completely see-through. And I got a little on my... that's okay. It's completely see-through, so you can see right through it. What happened, just so you know, I got a little ink smudge there because I pushed too hard on my ink. And look, I have it on my thumb too. I got a little bit on the block and my thumb. So that's what happened with that, but we're going to keep going. Next, I'm going to take like the palm-looking leaves and tap those. And sorry, you might see the top of my head. Just wanted to line that up. And then we're going to use the Soft Succulent for our sentiment. And I just kind of offset it to the side a little bit. And then I took some of the 2020-2022 in color square gems. They have 2 sizes. And I'm going to take 3 of the Cinnamon Cider ones. And even with little ink smudgies, I think someone would still like this card. What I'm probably going to do is cut a piece of basic white 1/4 inch smaller around, so it would be 3 3/4 by 5 3/4, and just stamp this over again and cover it up. But I think people just like handmade cards, so I could give that away with my little smudges and all, and I think it would be fine. And so that is all for the card. That's it. So I just wanted to show you a quick video on how to make a very quick and simple thank you card. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.